To create proxies in Adobe Premiere Pro, you need Adobe Media Encoder, so don't forget to install it. First, upload your footage into your Premiere Pro project. Just drag and drop the files into the project window. When loading a file onto the timeline, a new window appears, and you need to select Keep Existing Settings. Next, right-click on the file or a group of files, select Proxy, Create Proxies. In the new window that opens, choose the format and preset you want. You can also select Next to Original Media in Proxy folders, meaning the Proxy folder will be located in the folder with the original files. After pressing OK, Media Encoder opens and starts generating proxies. Now, let's load the proxy file into the project. When loading a file onto the timeline, a new window appears, and you need to select Keep Existing Settings. To replace the proxy with the original file, right-click on the file or group of files and select Proxy Reconnect Full Resolution Media. In the new window, uncheck the box for Use Media Browser to attach files, then click Attach. In the File Explorer, choose the original file and click Select. As we can see, both the original file and the proxy are now attached to the file. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.